All right, so the new Enjomor ran pretty good, and now that it's run in, that stiff spot in the travel has loosened up, so I think that's good. And I guess I'm probably going to run it a little bit more at this high speed. It runs, the RPM meter got it between 1 and 3,000 RPM. I would like to try and get it to run slower, but I think for starters we'll just get it to run a little bit at this speed, and then we'll see about changing it later. I also, because I didn't seal this base because it's pretty cool out still, and the sealant I have isn't going to like the cold temperatures. We'll have to see. As soon as it warms up, I probably will take the base off, take this off the base again and try to seal this base up, which, you know, it's going to look interesting after it's all oil soaked, but or maybe I'll just go get another one of these boxes and make an entirely new one out of it. But pretty excited about this. Looks good. It's got the whole side ignition there, which is neat. And it seemed to run really well once I remembered to put fuel in it and was careful with it. So also going to try and run the EM2 a bit more now that the EM2 is running a bit. We'll see how that goes next time, but for today, just getting the Enjomor here running was nice.